Hello friends, here I am with another rice alternative, couscous in instant pot. No need to soak, no need to wash, it's ready to cook. Comes out very fluffy and soft. Enjoy with curries, top with salads, veggies, etc. Or you can enjoy with little couscous and little rice in a meal. Couscous is processed pasta from hardest wheat called durum wheat. Comparatively, it's good alternative for white rice from calories and fiber point of view. Note that it contains wheat. This is not gluten free. It's going to get double the quantity after cooking. Thus downsize accordingly to half if cooking for two. Let's get started. This is couscous with dehydrated veggies and seeds. Looks very colorful. Usually couscous will be in one color, looks similar to quinoa. First add 1 cup of couscous in a bowl. Add half a teaspoon cumin seeds for digestion and extra flavor. Add quarter teaspoon salt. Add around 1 and 3/4 cups of water. It should be less than 2 cups. Ratio is 1 is to 1 3/4, little less than 2 parts. Mix once. By any chance, if you add more water, try these 2 tips. You can add little cracked wheat or suji. If you want, you can add 2 chilies, it's optional. You can cook directly in instant pot inner pot, or pot and pot alone, or pot and pot with rice by stacking 2 bowls. First, place rack in instant pot. Add 1 cup of water. Keep couscous bowl. Close the lid to sealing. Pressure cook high for 5 minutes. After timer is done, wait for natural release. It takes around 15 minutes. Once the pin goes down, open the lid. Mix once from bottom to top to fluff it up. As you see, couscous is well cooked. It won't be mushy at all. If you feel it's too dry, add little more water next time. Hope you enjoy this rice alternative with curries and salads. See you again with many more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.